Hello everyone, I'm Lauren from Lauren's Kitchen. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this rainbow tapioca cake. First of all, you need to prepare about 1 kilogram of tapioca. Lightly chop the outer skin of the tapioca and peel off the thick skin. Some of the skin will be harder to peel off. If that's the case, we can use knife to cut it off. After peeling off the skin, we will cut the center of the tapioca. Using our fingers, we will pull off the hard central fiber in the middle. After that, we will grate the tapioca using a grater. Be careful when grating as to not hurt your fingers. You may grate in any direction you prefer as long as it's comfortable for you. The weight of the tapioca after grating will be about 600 grams. Add in sugar, tapioca flour, coconut powder, salt, butter, and lastly, thick coconut milk. Stir and mix all the ingredients evenly. Separate the mixture into 3 parts evenly. Each part will be about 300 grams. Add the color that you desire into these mixtures. I've chosen yellow, red, and green color. Mix each of these mixtures evenly. Now, let's spread a layer of oil onto the mold. The mold that I'm using here is 8 inches in length and 3 inches in width. Pour the green mixture into the mold as bottom layer. Use a spoon to flatten the mixture. After that, we will pour the red mixture as second or middle layer. Similarly, we will use the spoon to lightly flatten the mixture. Finally, we will pour in the yellow mixture as top layer. We have to be extra careful and gentle while using the spoon to flatten the top layer as to not squeeze the liquid out from the mixture and mixing into the other layers. You need a little patience to slowly flatten the mixtures. Now, we may put the mold into a steamer to steam it. We will use high heat to steam for about 40 minutes or until fully cooked. Alright, our rainbow tapioca cake is done. Isn't it beautiful and delicious? Please wait for the rainbow tapioca cake to be cool into room temperature before cutting it with a plastic knife to prevent the cake from sticking onto the knife. This way, the cake will look perfect. The texture of this rainbow tapioca cake is very springy, aromatic and tasty. Try it yourself now.